One of the biggest advantages an entrepreneur can have is being connected to the right community. Business becomes easier when you learn from others who understand the journey, that has done it before you. The right environment will expose you to new ideas, new strategies, different perspectives, and valuable lessons. Many entrepreneurs struggle simply because they try to figure everything out on their own. At QuintPay, we believe strongly in community and education and continuous learning. That is why initiatives like our weekly power meetups are so important. When entrepreneurs learn together, they grow together and support one another every step of the way. Everybody benefits. Success is not only about systems and technology. It is also about people, relationships, and the shared growth. The right network can completely change your future.